Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 48. Wind and Window Flower. I leaned out the window, morning wind tugging at my sleeves, carrying the scent of wet earth and blossoming blooms. A single flower leaned over the sill, petals trembling but bright, caught between breeze and glass. I reached gently, brushing a leaf, feeling the pulse of life in its fragile frame. Outside, children ran along the lane, dogs barking, trees swaying with the wind's playful insistence. Sunlight dappled the garden, and I imagined how many hands had tended this plant, guiding it through storms, pruning, watering, whispering encouragement. Each gust shook it, yet it endured, bending but never breaking. I smiled, realizing that even small things at a window, flowers, wind, sunlight, hold lessons of resilience, patience, and quiet joy. Evening came and I closed the window slowly, leaving the flower safe, carrying the wind's message of persistence in my heart. Now listen to the poem. Morning wind tugs at my sleeves, earth and blooms scent the eaves. Flower leans on windowsill, petals tremble, bright and still. Hand brushes leaf, life is felt. Outside children, dogs, wind dealt. Sunlight dapples garden wide. Hands of care through storms guide. Gusts shake, yet flower bends, resilience and joy never ends. Evening comes, window closed, flower safe, wind's lesson posed. Small things teach patience true. Persistence lives in morning dew.